Hey everyone, we're here again at Everything Long Island, our latest podcast. How are you today, Mel?
I'm great. How about you?
I'm loving this.
I know, it's fun.
It's
You're
pretty
very
crazy.
cute. He's very cute. He has a lot to say, and he's very sweet. But I will tell you, not only is he sweet, but he's knowledgeable. So today we were going to talk about construction and contracting.
Yeah, let's talk about remodeling specifically.
Definitely.
Yeah.
So when you're remodeling,
Yeah.
I always say you got to be aware of the time frame. You got to know when they're going to start, when they're going to finish, when demo's going to happen, and if everything's in. Not only that, but you need to have transparency. Know what materials they're using to see if they're even doing the right materials. But that all comes from referral. If you don't get a referral that the person was genuinely, legitimately happy, I would not even call them in for an estimate.
Yeah,
it's
so
too
that's
scary.
that's what ends up happening, right? You're a lot of people, they'll go, I don't know, they don't use the paper anymore, but they'll go through FaceTime and maybe, try to find a contractor on there and somebody's promoting themselves and you call them up because, they threw some pictures on. And, that's great. In today's world, I get it. We're in the digital media, but what happens so many times is you hire these people, they come in, they give you an estimate. They're very, they're quick with doing that, and they're very personable. And then immediately, if you agree to it, they're quick to take your down payment. And then they'll come and do some, minor work like demolition. And then all of a sudden they disappear for a while. And you're like, oh my
Where'd
God,
they go?
what's going on? When are we going to get this thing going?
And it's because they have like 4 jobs going at once because they want to lock you in and have their crew be going from place to place to place. And listen, that may be how some people work. And if you're not living there and you get a better price, more power to you. I get it. But if you're living and you're out of like not having your kitchen or not having your bathroom or not having access to your staircase, that's rough,
Well, that's what ends up happening. And you know what? And that's... just so you all know, obviously we're realtors, we're team bona fide with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, but we also do contracting and we're really real estate consultants. And the way we handle it, just for everyone out there, so you can keep that in mind whenever you do a project with whoever you hire, the way we handle it is we basically manage the entire project. Even though we're not doing the work, these are our clients they're working for, or our clients' homes they're working at, and we want to coordinate the whole thing. So I make sure that I manage the whole project, make sure it moves on time, within the budgets that were set, and that's really what you need. What you need is someone coordinating all of the trades and moving the job forward.
But not just that. A really important part of that, which, there's been situations where Jesse's, been checking the job site, wants to see how the flooring is going and finding out that, people are just kind of laming out when they should really be looking at what's going on and fixing problems. So some people that work for companies that even we hire aren't always forthcoming with the problem that's going on. So you need a Jesse, if not Jesse, to really be checking in on that project, not just over the phone, hey, how's it going? But like, if they're not there, you want to see photos. You want to see progress. They should be showing progress so that you see what's going on. And Jesse sees, the GC.
True. That's true. That's very important.
I mean, that's like major. And what I love about Jesse as a GC, now you have to know, I've never done contracting before I was with Jesse. I'm a designer. I get it. I know how to put together a room. I can design jewelry. I'm a painter. Right. I'm in everything.
So hold on a second, because we really should have done this in the beginning, and I'm going to do it now. Just so you all kind of have a background on us. Each of us have been in real estate, selling real estate for 20 years now, each of us. So we have 40 years of combined real estate experience. My experience was all over the East Coast and West Coast of Florida, as well as here in New York, from Long Island, Brooklyn, Staten Island. And Melanie has been selling her whole career, 20 years practically, out here in the island.
On the island, mostly Nassau Shore, North Shore, Gold Coast.
Right.
Roslyn area out, 15-mile
And then
radius.
I've been in construction my whole life, everywhere, for basically every trade. I was a licensed welder. I've been doing electrical work for practically 20 years now, and I know all phases of construction. But I just wanted to give folks out there.
And then me, so I went to school for art, painting and drawing, sculpture, you name it. I've done every art media because I love it. I love art, like in anything that, is out there, I want to try. So was doing art, was an art teacher, did decorative painting and staging, moved from decorative painting and staging, worked for my cousin, choosing colors for her at her office, and, just kind of got into real estate, and that was it. It's like I got bit by the bug, and ever since then, took a little short stint when I was doing jewelry making, and here we are today.
Yeah, so to wrap it up for today, when you hire someone, guys, please, for whether it's repairs, remodeling, whatever it is, you're going to have them working in your house. Our suggestion, I think I can speak for both of us, really just get it from referrals.
Yeah.
People you trust and you believe in, and that are going to steer you the right way.
Yeah.
Get good referrals, even if they cost more. In the long run,
you'll save.
It's going to be well worth it.
It will.
So that would really be my number one advice. How about you?
That's definitely, I agree 100%.
All right, guys. Well, listen, thank you. And we really appreciate each and every one of you subscribing to our channel. Please, if you like what we're starting to put out, please click the like button and, subscribe.
And make comments. We'd love to hear what you have to say.